If you're interested in pursuing a career in cloud architecture, getting certified is a great way to demonstrate your knowledge and expertise to potential employers. But with so many cloud providers and certification options available, it can be overwhelming to know where to start. Let's explore the steps you can take to get certified in cloud architecture. First, choose a cloud provider. Some of the most popular cloud providers include Amazon Web Services, AWS, Microsoft Azure, and Google Cloud Platform, GCP. Second, determine your certification path. Many cloud providers offer multiple levels of certifications, from entry-level to advanced. Third, study and prepare for the exam. There are many resources available to help you prepare, including official study guides and online courses. Next, it's time to take your exam. Most cloud provider certifications are offered through online testing centers, and you'll need to schedule a time to take the exam. Finally, maintain your certification. Cloud provider certifications typically expire after a certain period, usually 2 years. To maintain your certification, you'll need to earn continuing education credits or retake the exam. Be sure to stay up to date on the latest developments in cloud architecture and technology to ensure you're prepared for recertification.